Welcome to 89 Hardwick Lane in Wayne, New Jersey. This home is so beautiful, has a great yard, lots of space. It's 3 bedrooms with an office or a 4th bedroom, brand new kitchen. It's such a great home. I can't wait for you to check it out. So come on, let's go. So on the first floor of this beautiful home is this gorgeous kitchen. They just renovated it a few years ago, has some beautiful stone backsplash, some dark wood cabinetry, so much counter space, under cabinet lighting, stainless steel appliances. I am in love with this kitchen, but let's check out the living room. Spacious, bright living room. You have 1 full bathroom on this floor with a jacuzzi. Formal dining room here, and then you also have a home office or 4th bedroom. All right, let's head on upstairs. The second floor features 3 generous sized bedrooms and a full bathroom. I love this primary bedroom because it has cathedral ceilings, some great woodwork, and lots of sunlight. The second floor upstairs has 3 bedrooms, very spacious, a beautiful full bathroom with a jacuzzi tub, and an attic, great for storage. The backyard of this home is so private. There's a beautiful deck, and this is going to be an outdoor gazebo that's screened in, that will be staying with the home. You have a gas grill. If you like to entertain, this backyard is the place to be. Thank you so much for coming on the tour of this beautiful home at 89 Hardwick Lane in Wayne, New Jersey. If you have questions or want to set up a private showing, contact us today, and we can't wait to hear from you.